Okay, so here we go. We're going to go into this beautiful palette now. I'm going to probably be using, I think I'm going to go in obviously with the shade Wasted, which is the bone colour. Then I'm going to go into probably one of these two, and then I think I'm going to have to try and use Barb, because I love that green gold shift that it's got. I mean, as much as I love Anastasia, I'm really drawn to Barb today, so that is going to be the plan. So let's get started. I'm going to prime myself first, prime my lids with MAC Painterly Pot, which is my absolute favourite. I hope it's in focus. So here we go. That blends out really, really nicely actually. It was so quick. It just blended out all on its own. That's exactly what you want with an eyeshadow. Actually, that's probably one of the easiest eyeshadows I've ever had to blend out. So I'm going to do the other eye next, and I'll be right back. So much better with MAC Fix Plus, definitely. It makes it more pigmented, a lot more of a beautiful colour. I mean, it's beautiful anyway, but with the Fix Plus it really, really does make a difference. And it doesn't seem to be going everywhere like it was just with the finger. Normally I apply all my pigments and glitter with my finger, but I think this palette definitely needs Fix Plus and a brush just like the normal ones that you get with eyeshadows that everyone normally throws away. Spray it with a bit of Fix Plus and you're sorted. And this Huda beauty blender, obviously it's double-ended, it's fantastic, and it came out with her Mercury Retrograde palette. She knows what she's doing. There we go. So I think I'm going to do my underneath, and I'm going to use OG for my underneath and a little bit of this. Finished. So I'm not going to do my foundation because that's actually going to be for another review that I'm doing, for another unboxing. So I'm not a makeup artist, I'm not a trained makeup artist, I'm just a normal, regular Joe Blog consumer, and I'm not trained. This is just for a normal basic eye look for someone who doesn't really know how to do makeup professionally. And it was so easy to do with this Amrezy palette. It was so easy. So there are so many options in here. It's not like you have to be professional MUA. You can do any look, and it was so easy. The swatches came out beautifully. The eyeshadows blended so easily. There was fallout, like I said, when I showed you, the pigment was falling all over my cheekbones, so I had to do a little bit of a wipe up. So I do recommend that you put your eye makeup on before you do your foundation, because you're just going to have to keep wiping it off, which is a little bit annoying, but fallout is completely normal, especially for pigments. So my final thoughts on the Anastasia of Beverly Hills and Amrezy palette is, it's beautiful, it's stunning. I love the formula, I love the textures, I love the mattes. The mattes blended like a dream, and the pigments and the satin shimmer shades, they blended and they swatched really, really well. I'll do another couple of looks with the other colours and with the shimmers so that you can see them as well. But for today, this is my look. Simple, quick, easy. I hope that you like it, and please comment below if you'd like to see any of the colours that I've shown you today, and just your thoughts. Have you got the Amrezy palette? What do you think of it? So guys, thank you so much. Please keep your eyes peeled for the next unboxing. It's going to be something that I wasn't very excited about at first, but then I started watching the other reviews and I thought, I have to have it. I have to have it. So guys, take care. Thank you for watching. Bye.